So where exactly are we going, Dr. Joe?
Well, Canterbury Christ Church University, which we've partnered with, is right down here in Canterbury. So Canterbury is in the section called Kent. It is in the far southeast corner of England. You all will be taking a course called Sights and Sights while we are over there. You're going to be going on a number of trips. 2 of those trips are going to be into London. So you'll be spending 2 Fridays in London. Another day, you'll be heading over to Bath and then also Stonehenge. One of the days, you'll be heading actually over to Bruges, which is Belgium. You'll be taking a number of different trips as well across southeast England. And again, we're excited that this fall we'll be doing a full semester, 3-month study abroad program to Canterbury, England.